The universe doesn't hate us. That would require effort. It's more like we're a speck of dust on a rug, and the universe is about to shake that rug out. We spend our days worrying about taxes, traffic, and whether we left the oven on. Meanwhile, the fundamental laws of physics are quietly holding a loaded gun to our planet's head. Consider this a countdown of doom, ranked by how much they should fill your personal nightmare fuel meter, the kind of stuff that makes you stare at the ceiling at 3 a.m. Our first method is the blockbuster favorite, the big rock from the sky. A city-sized asteroid decides its 4-billion-year journey is over. It screams through the atmosphere, a mountain of stone and iron heated to a sun-like brilliance. The impact doesn't just make a crater, it flashes a significant portion of the planet's surface into vapor. The shockwave circles the globe multiple times, flattening everything. Nightmare fuel meter 3 out of 10. It's terrifying, yes, but it's also tangible. We can see it coming. Now we move from big, dumb rocks to something a little more elegant. The antimatter bomb. Inside, suspended in a perfect magnetic vacuum, is a single kilogram of antimatter. If that containment field fails, the antimatter touches regular matter. The result is not an explosion, it is an annihilation. Earth would be reduced to an expanding ball of superheated gas and plasma. Nightmare fuel meter 5 out of 10, because while we can't make it, the universe can. Things are getting weirder. Let's talk about destroying the planet by breaking space and time itself. If one of these silent hunters were to drift into our solar system, we wouldn't see it coming. As we got closer, the tidal forces would become unimaginable. This difference would stretch our planet like taffy. The Earth would be shredded into a hot, glowing ribbon of matter. Nightmare fuel meter 6 out of 10. It's a game of cosmic roulette with 100 million bullets. Now we enter the realm of the truly exotic. Meet strange matter. The Ice 9 scenario. In theoretical physics, strange matter is a hypothetical type of quark matter. If a microscopic needlepoint-sized strangelet were to hit Earth, it would plunge into the planet's core and begin the conversion. The entire planet would collapse into a lifeless, super-dense ball about the size of a city block. Nightmare fuel meter 8 out of 10. We are living in a cosmic minefield, and we don't know where the mines are. For this next one, we don't need to wait for the universe to come for us. We can do it ourselves. Could a nuclear explosion trigger a self-sustaining fusion reaction in the Earth's atmosphere? The chain reaction would propagate through the entire atmosphere, turning our planet-wide blanket of air into a star for a few brief, glorious moments. Nightmare fuel meter 9 out of 10. The idea that we could one day build our own off switch is profoundly disturbing. We have arrived at the end, the top of the list, the final boss of existential dread. This method doesn't just destroy the Earth, it destroys the laws of physics. What if our universe is actually in a false vacuum? It would create a bubble. This bubble of true vacuum would expand outward at the speed of light. Inside the bubble, the laws of physics as we know them would be rewritten. One instant, you're reading this essay. The next, you and the entire galaxy are gone. Nightmare fuel meter 10 out of 10. And so we live on, blissfully unaware, on a tiny planet governed by laws that might just have an expiration date. Sleep well.